Hello friends, I'm CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your June 2022 exams. I hope you know, and if not, then let me tell you that I host free special live classes daily on unacademy at 7 p.m. I am teaching company law and JIGL for CS executive students, and I hope that you know that the classes are totally free of cost. How? You can unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. So I am here to announce another two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 16th and 17th March sharp at 7 p.m. On 16th March, we are continuing with the topic of dividend, the chapter number 6 that we are continuing with from company law. So I will be teaching today IEPF Part 1, that is Investor Education Protection Fund Part 1. Half we will discuss today and half of the same topic we will discuss tomorrow, that is 17th March at 7 p.m. IEPF Part 2. So probably I teach with full conceptual knowledge, and the most enjoyable thing that even students like is the polls. Polls is simply a question answer format which students enjoy the most, and in a live session this helps me to interact with all of you. So if you are someone, if you have not joined the session even once, I would highly request you to join the session so that you can watch the videos for free and get the knowledge and prepare with me. The batch links to both the classes will be in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me. Other than that, the classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. And unacademy offers awesome courses for CA, CS and CMA students. Especially for our CS students, the batch links will be in the description box below. A new batch for our CS executive student is going to be started from today only, the Shikhar batch. Yes, the Shikhar batch is specially for our CS executive students, the links to which will be in the description box below, and a special offer which expires today only is running on unacademy of 20% off. So in case you take subscription till today, till 16th of March, you will get flat 20% off if you use my code CSJAS. So if you plan to get the subscription, do use my code CSJAS to get flat 20% discount and start your preparation with unacademy, and let's crack it. Hoping all of you will join my session today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. Bye.